My name is Jeanette Cecilia, and I'm the vision bearer behind Grace Vision Organization. And Grace Vision Organization, as you can see from our banner, is an organization that is focused on counseling and empowerment. We do psychosocial support and counseling, even long-term counseling, that's psychological counseling. We do employment counseling, and we do career counseling and many other types of counseling. Then we empower especially women and girls, and also the young people in many things like that's our main target under empowerment, is to empower the young and the women and girls economically, to see that they are economically stable. That's our main focus. And so we also want to see that young people, especially graduates from our schools, especially our universities, are able to discover their God-given potentials, to nurture those potentials, and to put those potentials to usefulness. That's our main concern. And so we advocate, we educate, and we train in all these areas. What I'm going to be doing here today is to show you the production of local savon, that's local soap, which you can do and use it especially at the time of COVID-19. Now I'll begin with the main chemicals, which is caustic soda and kernel oil. You need a kilogram of caustic soda. Caustic soda is a chemical that looks like more like salt, but I must assure you it's very, very dangerous. Caustic soda is a chemical that is very corrosive, and so when you are handling caustic soda, you must put on gloves, like these hard gloves that I'm putting on. Yes, you must have it, because it's very, very corrosive and dangerous. You may even put on glasses to protect your eyes from any splash. Then the second chemical which I'm going to be showing you is kernel oil. Kernel oil is oil that is being extracted from palm nuts, and it is the best for you to produce local savon. So with this, a combination of caustic soda and kernel oil automatically hardens and forms foams. That combination alone. But then, to improve on the savon in different ways, you have to put other things like soda ash. I have a little quantity of soda ash here to show you. Soda ash, it looks more like white powder, or more like bicarbonate. Yes. So this one is to enhance the cleanliness of dresses when you, so that it doesn't melt faster, and it also helps in cleaning whatsoever thing you want to clean, especially the hands, faster. So another thing is the foaming agent, and I'm going to show you this one. The foaming agent, you may see it in different colors. You put a little bit of foaming agent there just to facilitate the foaming, just to make the foaming to be high. But like I said before, a combination of caustic soda and kernel oil already forms foams. So foaming agent is just there to facilitate the foaming. And so with all this, that is all about the chemicals. You need a foam, something like this. It's an improvised foam. When you take the foam, you put a plastic paper on the foam, That foam is to help you when you have already mixed the chemicals together. You pour on that foam and allow it to get hardened for some time. And then when it is hard, you can now use this one. We call it the cutter, the soap cutter. You can see the strings there. Yeah, so once it is hardened inside the soap mold, that's the foam, you take it and you cut it into desirable shapes using the cutter. So right now, I'm going to start the process. And as you're putting in the kernel oil, the water is gradually getting thicker and thicker and thicker, as you can see.